those, welcome back, and today we are simplifying algebraic expressions, applying rules of algebra, using both mass with brackets, and lastly solving exam questions. An algebraic expression contains numbers, letters, and operation. For example, 3x plus 5 or 2a over 3b. An algebraic fraction is a fraction with the letter in the numerator or denominator. Rules are followed when dealing with these expressions, and these are: only the like terms can be added or subtracted, and coefficients of like terms are combined. Brackets must be removed correctly, and this we use the BODMAS rule. So the BODMAS rule is a hierarchy of operations, meaning we firstly handle brackets before orders, division before multiplication, and addition before subtraction. When our expression is brackets, this means the term outside the bracket is to multiply every term inside the bracket. For example 1, we have 3 being the outside term, and this is to multiply the x and the plus 4 inside the bracket, which results in 3x plus 12. For example 2, we have negative 2 outside the bracket multiplying 5x and negative 3, which results in negative 10x plus 6. As we have learned, we multiply everything inside the bracket. For the first step, this results in 4b minus 12 plus 6b. We then collect like terms. Our final answer becomes 10b minus 12. Remember to multiply every term inside the brackets. Class, hope you will remember to follow BODMAS correctly, remove brackets before simplifying, multiplying every term inside the bracket, and watch out for negative signs. The following are exam questions from ZIMSEC past papers. Please pause the video and attempt each question carefully. See you on the next one.